Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll show you if you have a Dodge Journey, guys, and the key battery is dead. Okay, I tried to unlock it, nothing happens. How to access your car. Okay, if your key battery is dead on your Dodge Journey, how to open it, guys. You can see, if you come right here, okay, car is locked. I'll press to unlock it, nothing happens. Now, this is your key, and there is a secret about it. And most people will not even think about it, and I don't blame them because you don't use it so often. That tooth right here, you need to slide it towards the outside, keep it like that, and with your nails, grab that metal thing. This is your key that accesses the door. Now, you're going to insert it right here, but this thing might be corroded because probably it never been used before. So you might spray some WD-40 there, okay, once in a while. And all you have to do, check it out. Okay, you can lock and unlock your car manually. Okay, like that. So that's how you guys access it. Now, we'll just show you quick how to replace the battery. Okay, if you need to. Pretty simple. Pretty simple procedure. You don't even need any tools. Okay, let me show you now. If you grab the key with your metal key, guys, okay, I would recommend to get a screwdriver, but right here with your metal key, okay, you can pry that piece apart, okay. Grab it with your nails, okay, and pull it apart, okay. This is your key battery. I'll definitely recommend to get a screwdriver so you don't cause any damage, okay, to your key. This is the new battery. You can check it out, listed in the description of the video below. It goes only one certain way. Okay, like that. Then grab it. Start closing it on each side. And let me show you now. Install the key now. Car locks and unlocks with no problem. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.